Hi, Sushil here. Today's video I'm going to explaining you how do you remove duplicates by using various techniques, and not only remove duplicates, I'll be also showing you how you can apply duplicates. I don't want to delete those records. So as you can see my first example where I've given you some names over here. So this is the simplest way you can use it actually. I just want to delete those duplicate names from this list. So I'll just click inside. In fact, there are some duplicate names in this list over here. So I would like to delete those names. So I'll just click inside in this table. Click on this option of yours called as data. And there's an icon over here called as remove duplicates. This is the icon. So if I click on this icon, there should be a tick mark over here on this names option. If I click on this option called as unselect, that option will not get selected. Again, you want to click the say select all. So there should be a tick mark over your name. Now you can say OK. So when you say OK, it tells me that there were 5 duplicates. Out of that 16 records, there were 5 duplicates. Now you can say OK. So it has removed those duplicate names. It has kept only one name from this list of yours. So I'll just get it back to normal. I'll just press Ctrl Z for the timing. The similar thing, if I tell you that I don't want to delete those duplicates, I would like to identify those people who are duplicates. For that, again, you just select this range. You just have to highlight this range, this names, and you can use this option in home option. There's a button called as conditional formatting. So you can click over here, highlight, and duplicate values. So in this case, what happens is I'm not deleting those records. I just want to highlight where duplicates are there. You can change the colors if you want yellow color or which color you want from this, which is given by the system actually. This colors, you can say OK. So as you can see that wherever these colors are there, those are your duplicates, and the rest which is coming in white, those are not your duplicates. My second example is over here. We have given you some names and I've given you some department. So according to these names, like you can see, this person name is Manmoti and he is in HR department. The similar thing, this person is in Manoti, he is in finance but. So this will not remove those records. Wherever you see this person, Ranjani, his department is HR. The same thing if you come down here, same HR. Both this department should be same department. It should be. It will remove those records only which is unique. For that, what you must do is again can select this table. Let's select this table first. Click on this option of yours called as data. If you don't select it, no problem. Just click inside in the table. Click on data option. Again, click on this icon called as remove duplicates. So there should be a tick mark on both these options, name and department. If I say OK, as you can see, this person Marmoti is in HR department. The same name I have one more down here, but he is in finance. This will not get removed. Now this person is in HR department, and here one more name I have got, same name. He is also in HR department. So this, it will keep only one name. The rest, one name will be removed from this list. That is called as unique. Okay. It tells me that there were 3 duplicates actually out of the 11 records. Okay. See. It has kept only one name, HR. This is in finance. So that's why it has not removed it for me. Now this guy, he was in HR. One more name was there, same name. He also was in HR department, same. So it has removed that second name from that list actually. My third example is this, where I would like to keep the latest date and remove the older date actually. For this, you have to first sort the record according to date wise. So you select this full table of yours, click on this data option. There's an icon called as your sort option. Click over here. Then it'll ask me how do you want to sort it out. Basically, I just want to sort it by date. So I'll click on date. And then cell values, that's fine. And over here it says oldest to newest, but not oldest, new. Newest old. That means the new date should come on top and the oldest should come down below. And then you can say OK. So at the moment now it is 29th April showing me first here. So which is the latest date that will come first. See, 10 June, 6 June, 1st June, 26 like that. It shows me in order wise. So once you have sorted out this date in latest should come first. Now what you must do is, once you've done this much, you can just it's already selected, just click on data option again. Now I can remove it by clicking on date and coming over here, remove duplicates. Over here, because see what we are doing over here is we want the latest date to come on top, right? So for that what you must do is you should remove this date of yours and tick mark of date and value. The name you keep it. So according to the latest date, the name should be applying, should come. If I say OK, it says 6 duplicates were there. It has removed the rest of the names where duplicates were not there. See. So that is what it is doing on this list of yours. And my last example is in this example, I've got two tables like this, where I would like to compare the duplicate from this table, name 1 and name 2. That is table 1 and table 2. So I would like to give, I would like to highlight the colors actually. I don't want to remove the duplicates. So for that you select the name 1 first, like this, my mouse. And then you have to press Ctrl and click this second name, that is name 2, by pressing Ctrl. So my both the table is selected now. So now you can click on your home tab, click on conditional formatting, highlight and duplicate values. You can take the color from here. I'll just go for this yellow color. OK. So as you can see that these names are not appearing in my name 2. This name Harry is there in my name 2. Again this name now is again is my name 2. This person is there over here in name 1. Here it is not in name 2. So like that it is identify the colors from name, like this, from first table and my second table. If you find this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.